About Jamaican women.
They are the best.
They are the best.
Especially the thick
Sexy
ones.
and right, you know?
Morning friends.
घुमक्कर शदीद
आज
कैसे हैं
मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा जमाइका का नेशनल फूड, you know, which is very popular in Jamaica. J for Jamaica and J for jerk chicken. Yeah, it is very famous dish in Jamaica. आप अगर जमाइका में आते हैं, people come Jamaica for jerk chicken and they love it. It is so good, it is so juicy and it is.
आ गया भैया वो बस सुन करके.
It is smoked, spicy and charred chicken. Okay, so आइए देखते हैं कैसे बनता है ये जग चिकन. कुछ बातें करते हैं जग चिकन के बारे में. तो हमारे साथ है जमाइका का एक शेफ, उससे हम बात करते हैं कि कैसे बनता है ये जग चिकन. हाँ चलिए. हियर इज द शेफ ओशेन फ्रॉम जमाइका and he makes very good jerk chicken. He will tell about what the jerk chicken is and why the people die for it. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, Chef Oshane, tell me about jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken is a Jamaican traditional food, just like oxtail,
बाबा पहले मुंह से सुपारी निकाल रहे.
curry goat, and other stuff like that. But it is known for its spice. That's why people like it like that.
What kind of a spice we usually put?
Okay, we use our like the original Jamaican seasoning, but the spice that is known for is the Walker's Wood spice. It's a blended peppers, seasoning, everything inside.
Okay, and what kind of chilies we used to put in the jerk chicken, and why it is so dark in color?
No, it's so dark in color because of the sauce that they use, like the soya sauce, to give it the dark color.
Okay.
And the peppers is that what give it the spice.
Yeah. And from where this nice smoky flavor, you know,
Okay,
it
so
comes from?
okay, we use the pimento wood. That's what we use, and the charcoal that gives the smoke, that infuse, that gives it the flavor.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Another question I have for you. What do you think about Jamaican women?
आज बड़ा हॉट टॉपिक लेके आया है लौंडा हमारा.
Don't laugh, huh? Tell me.
That's a sticky one.
Yeah, man.
Well, I don't have a problem with Jamaica, no man. Jamaica man, they are good at, well, 90% of them,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, they're good one, but some of them then just give trouble, you know.
What kind of trouble?
You know, just like cheating, just like any other country, but they're known for that still.
Okay. What do you like most about in them?
I like, well, what I like most about Jamaican man, they're down to earth.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah.
No?
They
Tell
don't
me
care, man.
something
They
about-
get the black melon in there, like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me something about their
Strong black
beauty,
woman.
man.
The beauty, oh yeah, Jamaican woman, man. Yeah, shape,
ये दिखाया ना काम की चीज ना.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
The
You are
breast,
coming online,
ass,
man.
Yeah, everything.
Okay. Okay, brother. Tell me one thing.
Yeah. What's that?
What do you think about Jamaican women?
What do I think about Jamaican women?
Yeah.
Well, they're full of tricks and they're players, some of them, most of them.
Okay.
All right?
And
And you have some good ones, but not all of them is good
Yeah.
all the time. You know, you just have to take the time out to find the good ones, all right?
what do you like most about them?
What do I like most about them? They're pretty sexy and right, you know, curvy. Yeah, man.
शाबाश मुन्ना. बहुत आगे जाओगे तुम.
Okay.
All right, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, chef. I will ask a question from you, and you will give me the answer in correct way. Okay? Correct answer. What do you think about Jamaican women?
They are the best.
They are the best.
Especially the thick ones.
Oh.
देखा देखा देखा.
Okay, chef. One more question. How many girlfriends do you have?
I can count. Maybe about 69.
Okay. What do you like most about in their physique?
Say, Bati.
Hey brother, wait a minute. Can I ask something from you?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
Yeah. Tell me something about Jamaican women.
Jamaican women. Wow, that's a controversial topic, but Jamaican women, you know, they're amazing personalities and stuff like that, but they can be a little bit, but they're okay.
Okay.
So go.
What do you like most about Jamaican women?
Personally,
About beauty and all?
personally, I'd say their personality, their melanin, skin melanin, and
Yeah.
also their facial features and stuff like that, you know, and the shape. Don't forget the shape.
Yeah.
Okay, Jamaican woman, sexy.
It's sexy.
Nice.
You
Yeah,
like
man.
it?
Yeah, man.
You want the lean one or you want the
Honestly,
bulky one?
it doesn't matter. All women are perfect, right?
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, dear.
Okay, man.
Brother, how are you?
I'm good, man.
Can I ask something from you?
Sure.
Okay. What do you think about Jamaican women?
Jamaican woman.
Okay.
Oh.
You can remove your mask.
That's a difficult question, man. Difficult question.
Tell me, brother. Tell me. Come on. Show yourself.
I have no answer on that. Jamaican woman?
Yeah.
Well, some are loyal,
Mm-hmm.
some are not. Here,
Mm-hmm.
they will rip it out. That's definitely Jamaican woman, man.
Okay. Tell me something about their beauty.
Beauty. Well, yeah, Jamaican women are beautiful. That's for sure. I love them, but you have to kind of hold on your heart if you want to be saved, man.
Okay.
That's for sure.
Thank you so much. About Jamaica.
I love Jamaica.
What do you what do you most love about Jamaica? Jamaican people and Jamaica.
Jamaican people. That's
Jamaica
what I like.
people?
Yeah. Yeah.
And the typical question, what do you think about Jamaican women?
Jamaican
When
women
you
are
see
beautiful.
beautiful? You like them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. That's good.